to my channel. My daughter is just passing by. Welcome everyone. I appreciate you all being here. That's why I'm excited, because I appreciate you all being here. I'm looking at myself and I'm looking at you guys. Thank you all so much for being here. I really appreciate it so much. Anyway, today is just a mini Lidl haul. Okay, this Lidl haul, I'm looking for my receipt too, but I'll find it because I want to tell you guys the price. Can you see the mini Lidl haul on the table? Can you guys see there? Okay, so it's a mini Lidl haul on the table there. I think I spent 50-something pounds. I'll tell you guys a little bit of drama of buying some stuff there. Okay, please, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so let's dive right into this video. Alright guys, so I told you guys a mini Lidl haul. So this video is going to be a short video. That's one of the reasons why I don't do Lidl haul sometimes, because I don't buy a lot of stuff from Lidl. Okay, so because of that, I don't do Lidl haul sometimes, because I just buy a few things, not much. I got my shopping bags them there. Jiro, can you take the shopping bags and put them in the car? Okay guys, so this is our Lidl haul. You guys know that my haul sometimes it can be like a vlog. Okay, I got my receipt though. I find the receipt. Okay, I got 2 receipts for a reason. So Lidl. Okay, this Lidl haul, the first one cost me £46.70. The second one cost me £13.90. And I'll tell you guys the reason why I have 2 receipts. Okay, as we go into the haul. Okay, so this is just everything. You guys can see this is everything on the haul. So it's a mini haul. It's not a huge haul. Okay, it's not a lot. So you guys can already tell on the table. Can already tell on the table it's a very small haul. Okay, everything is £46.70 on one side. The next one is £13.90. So apparently, let's say 13, that's 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's like about 80 something pounds I spent, not 90 pounds, about 80 something pounds. I haven't really calculated everything together. Okay, so that's why I'll just tell you guys so you guys can calculate. Okay guys, so let's start from the sweet chili peanut. The sweet chili crispy sweet chili. I don't even know how you pronounce that. Anyway, it's the peanut. It's £2.49 for one. I got 2 of them. Okay, I got 2 of them. It seems like as if there's discount in them. I can see minus £1.49. So I think there's discount in them, because one is £2.49 and then it's £4.98 for the 2, but then the minus £1.98. So I think there is a discount. Can you guys see it there? Yeah, anyway, that's the peanuts. And then we got the mackerel sunflower. Okay, so this is where I got 2 receipts. So this mackerel sunflower, which is this one right here, I think I put the other one upside down. So this mackerel sunflower is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, yeah, 20 in a box. But you see the problem I have with the Lidl that I went to. Actually, I just gone to my own Lidl. I don't have that stress in that Lidl. Yeah. So this particular Lidl, they don't allow you to buy the box. Okay, drama. Every time it's always drama when you go there and you want to buy. But today one was more annoying because I don't understand the nonsense the guy was telling me. He's telling me it's either I buy only mackerel or I buy only sardine. I'm like, are you not trying to tell me I shouldn't eat mackerel if I want to eat sardine? If I want to eat sardine, I shouldn't eat mackerel. I didn't understand. It's like, no, madam, that's not what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to say you cannot buy this one and buy this one. I'm like, is it not 2 different things? Do they not have different barcode? I don't understand. Anyway, he went to call his manager. And the manager is like, hey, I'm like, okay, are you trying to not say I can't eat this if I want to eat this? Or if I want to eat this, I cannot eat this one? She's like, oh, it's not like that. I'm like, please, if there's someone higher than you, I need that person. She's like, no, I'm not saying you cannot buy 10 of this and 12 of this, or 12 of this and 12 of that. I'm only just trying to say that you can't buy the box. But that's not even what I was going to do, because I already know that Lidl, you can't buy the box like this. So what I did was I checked out this 10 and this 12 at the same time first. That's why I ended up having this receipt. Okay, so the sardine in oil is £6, and then the mackerel in sunflower is £7.90. Okay, so I checked out 10 of this first and 10 of this, but still they were still frowny faces. I don't understand. You understand? So she's like, oh, you cannot use the same card to check them out. I was going to challenge her when she said that, but I just said, you know what, I don't have stamina to argue today, you know, because I was really keen on, like, I need to speak to a more higher manager, because I don't understand that. I know you can't buy the box at once, but I know you can check out this one 10 or 12 first, another 12 first. You can check them out and check out another one in another, you know what I mean. But anyway, at the end of the day, she said, no, that's not what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to say that I'm not saying you cannot eat mackerel and sardine. I'm just saying you can't use the same card to pay for the two. I just thought, I said, anyway, my question was, are you trying to say I can't eat this and I cannot eat this one? Or if I want this one, I cannot have that one? Is that what you're trying to say? She's like, no, 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 that's not what I'm trying to say. I'm just... Anyway, that's the story, guys. Sorry for my story. That's the story of the mackerel and the sardine. It was drama. And then there was a lady in my back that wanted to buy spaghetti. She was even confused at the end of the day when she saw that they didn't want to allow me to buy mackerel. So it's like, it's either you buy just mackerel and you leave sardine, or you buy sardine and you leave mackerel. How is that supposed to be? What if I don't want to eat sardine today and I want to eat mackerel tomorrow? Did they expect me to keep driving round because I can't buy one today? I have to buy the other one another time. I don't understand that Lidl. That Lidl always gives me stress. But anyway, that's how I ended up with 2 receipts. Okay, so I've told you guys the price. I'm so sorry, guys. I've told you guys the price of the mackerel, which is £7.90 for 10. And then the sardine 12 is £6. It's £6 for 12, because this is cheaper. One is 50p for one of these, and this one is 79p. Can you see there's different prices? So I don't understand what they are trying to say, that you can only buy this one, you can't buy this one, or you can only buy this one, you can't buy this. I don't understand, because they both got different price and they got different barcode. I don't understand that rubbish. As I say, it's only this particular Lidl that always does this. Today I told her to go and call their manager, and she came and she's telling me, oh, I'm not saying you can't do that, but you have to use different cards. What if I didn't have 2 cards? I have to use the one card, right? What of those who doesn't have 2 bank accounts? They have to use one. Because I've done it before. I've used the same card to check out twice in Lidl, in my own Lidl in my area. So I don't understand that Lidl there. But anyway, moving on. Thank you guys for listening to my story. Thank you, I appreciate that. Okay, so we got the mackerel in the big receipt, which has more, which I've already told you guys the prices. Okay, so unless you just want me to repeat it again, 79p for one mackerel, 10 is £7.90, sardine in oil 12 is £6, 50p for one. Okay, guys, and then we got the golden syrup, which are over there. So the golden syrup, they are £1.29. I got £2.58 for 2. There's 2 of them there. Okay, and then we got some evaporated milk, which I got 4 of them. One is 59p, 4 of them is £2.36p. You guys can see there's 4 of them there. And then you guys know that Lidl always do this one-off stuff. Okay, seriously, I like to go to my Lidl. I don't so much like going to this Lidl. It's because I was around there. Because I was around there in Iceland. That's why I went there. If not, I don't so much like going there. They always like creating scene for no obvious reason. The people there, especially those Pakistani people, they always behave like as if they are the owner of the place. I don't like that. Sorry, guys. I'm just rambling. Honestly, it's like the way he was talking to me, he was shouting. And I have to shout back at him. I'm like, what's your stress? I'm only asking, you are telling me I can't buy something. He doesn't want me to talk. At the same time, he's telling me, oh, no, that's not what I'm trying to say. But at the same time, he's trying to shut me up for trying to ask him, are you trying to say I cannot have mackerel and have sardine? It's like I'm not listening. Oh, you madam, you're not listening to me. I'm like, no, I'm listening to you. I understand what you are saying, but I'm telling you these two things are different things. They have different barcode. They have different prices. Okay, call your manager for me. When the manager came, I think he was probably expecting the manager to say, oh, madam, you cannot have this one and have this. But then when the manager said, oh, I'm not trying to say that, but you can't use one card, he just shut up his mouth. Sorry, guys. I keep going on. Sorry, guys. I think I would have told you guys this story in a vlog rather. Okay. So we have this brioche bread. You guys know, as I say, Lidl always have all this one-off stuff. And I saw this brioche bread that with hazelnut. You guys know I like hazelnut. Anything nuts, it's calling my name. So I got this sweet brioche bread, which is how much? £2.29. So I got two of them for £4.58. You guys can see there's two of them. Okay. And then we got some mayonnaise, which are over there. The mayonnaise, 99p, £1.98 for two. And then we got some barbecue sauce, which are right here. Barbecue sauce right here. They are 89p. I got two for £2. No, I got three, not two, guys. Sorry, I got three. Three of them for £2.67. And we got some tomato ketchup, 99p each. Three of them for £2.97. That's the ketchup. Okay. And then we got some premium coleslaw. I like this their coleslaw, £1.25. It's very delicious. This coleslaw is very nice. £1.25. And then we have some lasagna bolognese, £3.69, which is that one over there. And then we have some chicken bake and pasta, £3.75. Okay, guys, so that's all I bought from. Oh no, that's not all I bought. I think I have jumped the apple and the banana. Sorry, guys. So we have some organic banana here. Organic banana, £1.29. I got two, £2.58. So there's the bananas, organic banana. Okay. And then I got the apple, golden delicious apple, £1.39. I got just one. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's all from Lidl. I spent £46.70 in the first receipt. The second receipt, I spent £13.90. Okay, guys, so that's all there is in this haul. I hope you guys enjoy watching. I hope you guys enjoy my little story and rambling. Just complaining. Well, I don't know if that is complain or it's a story. Sorry about that. But I do hope you guys enjoy my little story. That's drama in Lidl. Okay, I didn't just like the way the guy was shouting at me. And then I have to raise my voice. And everybody was just looking. I hate that kind of a thing. You know, just because of mackerel and sardine. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, guys, so that's my haul for this week from Lidl. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.